My name's Todd Frisoni. I'm the owner at the Door County Ice Cream Factory in Sister Bay. The Door County Ice Cream Factory was founded in 1992 as an ice cream shop. Back in 1912, when the building was built as a general store, they used to sell Plex ice cream, which was made in Sturgeon Bay. And so in the early 90s, the family that started it decided they were going to create an ice cream shop where people could come in and get that nostalgic feel that they would have had in the early 1900s. So we make over 70 varieties. There's 29 in the case at any given time. We also make sorbet, which is non-dairy, and there's really something for everyone. We have vanilla to chocolate, coffee, Blue Moon for the kids, cookie dough, and then we make sandwiches and pizza as well. So the Door County Cherry Sundae is made with the local grown cherries that come from Sequist Orchards, which is just up the road. You get 2 scoops of the vanilla, more Door County cherries on top, and then we finish it off with whipped cream, almonds, and a cherry. We do a limited edition flavor every week from Memorial Day to Labor Day. This week's limited edition flavor is cherry chocolate chunk. And we release the new flavor every Friday, and then it's just in the case until it sells out. Our King of the Hill is loaded with roast beef, ham, turkey, salami, provolone, and cheddar cheeses. And all of our sandwiches come with mayo, lettuce, onions, tomato, and oregano. The King of the Hill is our biggest sandwich. It weighs in at over a pound, actually, with everything on it. So it's pretty massive. So we also do root beer floats, and our root beer comes from the keg. It's a Sprecher root beer out of Milwaukee, and we finish that off with a scoop of vanilla. It's delicious.